Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha, a student of class 9 from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School.
My name is Rafan, student of class 6 from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School.
Today is World Environment Day and the theme is Big Plastic Pollution. Did you know that every year 400 million tons of plastic waste are produced worldwide? Shockingly, half of them is designed to be used just once.
That's right. And only 9% of plastic ever produced has been recycled. The rest ends up in landfills, rivers and oceans, harming wildlife and our health.
Here is something fascinating. Plastic was invented 100 years ago. It was meant to be used our life easier, but now it's a biggest threat to our planet.
Did you know that it takes hundreds of years for a single plastic bottle to decompose? That's why it is important to reduce, reuse and recycle as much as possible.
Let's work together to beat plastic pollution by saying no to single-use plastic, using eco-friendly bags, spreading awareness.
Our planet deserves better.
Thank you everyone and happy World Environment Day 2025.